Diba? Dustin, sabihin mo si Bianca, ang ganda mo.
Bakit? Maganda naman talaga si Bianca.
Maganda naman talaga si
Bianca.
Bianca.
Oh, ganda mo, Bianca.
Ate Mika, sabihin mo ang pogi ni Will.
Pogi ni Will.
Oo, di ba?
Kasi sabihin mo ang pogi ni Brent.
Ang ganda mo, Gab.
Nang yun. Okay
Kuya.
na yun. Diba?
Yeah, okay na.
Oo. Diba? Normalize complimenting everybody.
Yes.
So, our lesson for today, guys,
Wala magpapasimula.
be spontaneous.
Do not be spontaneous.
Do not be spontaneous.
Dahil to sa contact lens ko talaga eh.
Sleep.
Uy, huwag kang mamanda dyan. Lumaban ka.
No.
Lumaban ka. Kuya, ano na?
James.
Crush mo ba si James?
James Red. James Red. Ayun ba nila?
Ay, nagsisinga.
Ayan na, may eksena pa pala. May eksena pa, may eksena pa.
Na-meet mo na ba? Play at BGC. I wasn't there nung BGC. We played at Capitolio there.
Yung masaya ngayon, pickleball eh.
Is that pickleball or paddle?
Both are different.
Both are different. I forgot which one na.
Both smaller.
When she said pickleball,
Pickleball's
feeling
light. And paddle has the wall.
Okay, it was paddle. But our place, people play pickleball sa streets.
Is it
now.
paddle or padel?
Kailangan may net eh.
I think it's padel.
Lahat may net. Lahat may net.
It feels so dirty na, no? Parang sana may...
You should join us.
Very malikabok.
Parang they haven't cleaned it in. Yeah.
Really?
Sana magbigay sila ng clean.
I don't know you eh. Iba ka din kasi.
Net.
Bakit? Ano ko sa inyo?
Not the task day.
Feel ko later pa.
Later pa after lunch siguro.
Or tomorrow.
Usually after lunch tayo eh.
It's my 3rd day today. So, Mavi 3 days, diba?
Four.
4 ba siya? So, we will see.
Binibilan niyo natin Gabi
2 weeks ka daw.
Hindi naman gustong-gusto. I'm just trying to figure it out kung kailan ba ako
Si Ate Vanna, 1 week.
1 week siya.
Bagay sa'yo.
Yeah.
Si Anger.
Is that yours? Sorry.
Disgusting.
Yeah, I said yeah. I looked at him. It's cute. It fits you better than me.
Saya sakto sa akin.
No, but like it looks cuter on you eh.
Okay. I'm in love. I'm alive.
Sana may pickleball tayo. Buhay na tayo dito. Or kahit table tennis.
Table
Oh my
tennis.
God, do you... Rubber shoes mo, may heels din? Yung
Yeah.
New they have like
Never ko na-get some billiards.
Really?
I tried. Hindi ko talaga siya
Kahit bola nga lang eh. Kahit yung squishy bola. Something to throw.
Oo, parang touch ball.
Dodgeball.
Dancing ball.
Basta may bola. At hindi maingay.
Ano yung gagawin today? Kuya, ano gagawin today? May something. Kasi yung song.
Yeah, there's something gonna happen talaga.
Hindi yun papatugtog lang ni Kuya Fer natin.
Tapos hindi siya magsasabi na maligo lahat para wala.
Oo.
Oo nga.
He never says that. First time yun, yeah.
Na maligo lahat.
Ralph, papasok na talaga si Maya. I feel it. Or si
Maya.
Donnie. I feel it right now.
Oh my gosh, I prefer him.
Yeah, sa Unbreak.
Oh yeah, oo nga pala, crush mo nga.
That's where I saw him first time, yung screening.
Oo.
At the premiere, I saw him there.
Maya. Good guy.
Okay, quiet siya.
parang mas may pag-asa pumasok si James. Hindi ngayon, pero this season. Like, wala lang. Pasok lang siya, ganun.
Malay mo.
Kasi kakabalik niya lang talaga, di ba? Kakabalik niya lang ng...
Super crush mo si James, no?
Ng ABS, kakabalik niya lang.
Sino bang
May comeback project na siya na-announce, di ba?
O, di ba?
Malay mo.
Ha? Joke lang yun.
Hindi nga rin pumasok sa
You know.
Sina?
kaibigan na.
Sino?
Sino? Si Rob. Ano yun?
Realize.
What if pumasok?
Sino?
Or I thought, hindi announced. I thought he was supposed to go.
Hindi yan ngayon.
Sino? Tinanong ko si ako last
Busy
night.
na sa ano.
Yung tayo magkakatabi. Sabi nila, what if papasok?
Now, siguro.
Nagdala pa ako ng performance show kasi akala ko
Napain. Oh my God, sobrang drama.
live siya sa Nine Works. Ano siya, he's doing the river, the Rico Blanco one.
Oh. Hirap na. Hirap.
Pag nakikita ko yung
Actress. Look nice, but
Really for the
it
art of
looks as we practice
acting.
din naman.
Meron akong idol na, alam mo yung 100 na
Put your feet back in there.
nagtabing
Feet pics, gonna go live. Josh Ford, feet pics. 4K, man.
Tapos nag one more chance rin sila.
May pa naman ka.
Sigaw. Nice nga na Star Magic. Star Magic may ano, di ba? Teatro ka
I
pamilya.
don't think that's gonna crack. I mean, I don't think it's
Yeah.
gonna break. Think you don't wanna sip? I'm okay. Oh, this mosquito's here.
Honestly, if Star Magic was
Hindi na
a bit
lang.
more,
Nga eh.
This mosquito's here
you should
especially.
really look at the theater.
talaga?
Yeah, but I love this spot so.
Marami.
Tsaka humble rin.
Wala
mga
mag-lotion.
taga-theater.
Where's the lotion though?
Kids. Ila last minute na siguro yung
task, no?
task.
Kaya naman, kaya natin na.
Parang isang araw, one day planning, one day prep. Prep cook.
Oh my gosh, so if I'm gonna be the
Why
one to
did they
sell,
put
mag-isa ako.
Di naman siguro, te. Kasi, hirap. Because they're gonna be dining in also eh. May mga tables na set daw, di ba?
Doon daw yung...
Wala sinabing may table setup. Sabi lang, cart. Oh.
So ako lang mag-isa magbibenta. Anong
So that's why
gagawin?
I'm telling nga na parang take out siya.
Baka grab and
Plastic
go.
Plastic. Grab and go, for sure.
Wala rin space sa labas.
Outside, yeah.
Setup
Wala.
Can I have it?
Malamig ka, bro. Hindi ko kaya mag-ganyan sa labas. Yung may ganyan ako, yung sinusot ko sa labas, hindi ko kaya. Hindi mo ako pawisin, pero it's just so hot.
Sino yung lumabas? You wanna sit?
Asneer. Si Will, pinapasok sa confession.
Si Asneer?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
No, that's
Please,
okay.
Last one.
Yeah, this book is really not getting to me. I don't know why.
How? Here.
It's not. Thank you.
I don't read it to you.
I might
Ako
not
na.
resonate
I
with
will
it.
read it.
Sure.
Okay, go.
Values underlie everything we are and do. If what we value is unhelpful, if what we consider success or failure is poorly chosen, then everything based upon those values, the thoughts, the emotions, the day-to-day feelings, will all be
What are you
out of
shooting now?
whack.
Gab?
Everything we
What are you
think and
shooting now?
feel about the situation
I'm doing a series.
ultimately comes
in
back to
GMA.
how we value
Collab with a streaming.
valuable.
Is it due pa rin?
Yeah. Streaming platform nga kasi sinabi ko.
What's your what?
Miss Garlic. Miss
Yeah,
Garlic
Miss
pa rin.
Garlic.
Miss Garlic rin yung sa on break, right?
Yeah. And then I'm doing yung ano nga, yung sangre.
Hindi pa rin tapos.
Pero July pa. Nag-lock in na kayo.
Hindi ako pwede mag-lock-in kasi I have this, I have Slay, so I can't do lock-in.
Pero nag-lock
So
in
super
na ba
small na lang ng ganap ko dun.
sila? Nag-lock in na ba sila?
Sila, parang pa ano-ano, parang pa 4 days, 4 days.
Yung lock in?
3 days, 4 days.
Kailan yung target nila na matatapos?
Hindi ko na siya masyadong problema kasi it's not my show.
Yeah.
Parang cameo pa.
Not even, hindi
He's
parang
playing.
hindi kasi, ang tagal namin eh, pero kumbaga may,
So just have fun. And siguro here, I was like, okay, I'll show them Mina. And then at the first week, they were like, Michael, we don't know if you're being plastic kasi outside you're so serious. Like you're never, like at events talaga, like when I see them, I'm very talaga, prim and proper dapat. Yeah, like I don't, and then when I talk, it's like PR talk. Yeah. Yeah, to show my personality, it's like, it takes me a lot, like, to be comfortable with people. So sabi ko, I was happy nga because somehow, the first sight pa lang, everybody connected, walang, and kapuso ako, kapamilya kayo. So obviously, there's already a difference, but I didn't feel it. So I was like, okay. And then AC was like, someone that I made kulitan with. So yun, parang naging comfortable agad ako.
Nobody came out
May ako at times, so I showed it lang. So for me, when I heard the reason why I was nominated, I was kinda, I felt betrayed kasi somehow parang family ko na to na ayaw nyo pala yun. And ang ano sa akin, sana they told me na lang or something. But I understand naman it's all part of this game. But ayun, parang it goes back to...
Ang kasama namin. I was gonna put yours in my closet talaga.
Paano ko na?
Although it sounds so
That's
like...
the point.
I really have a hard time connecting with people. So, ayun. But
May relation kaya yun?
I'm adjusting. Siguro sabi ko rin kay Kuya, like, may time and relation talaga ako. Baka I need another reminder. So, maybe I'll take this week to just reflect on myself. Yeah.
Baka naman masobrahan ka baka maging nonchalant ka na nga. Hindi ka na talaga.
But I
it's
can
not
be
big
gay.
deal. Yeah, you can be.
I
But
know.
hindi ka na nagpapakatotoo pag gano'n.
Exactly.
Tsaka yung kulit side mo naman, I think it's what really like brings us all together. Really, like I also really appreciate how you can, like ganito, you can carry a conversation. And then I feel like iba kasi yung upbringing mo sa Canada. Di ba sa Canada kasi you're all very like ano talaga, like hindi madaldala, like energetic, makulit, witty,
That's so true.
ganon.
That's so true.
Like I have a lot of friends na lumaki din sa Canada and then they're often like parang na-judge sila agad. Like sa showbiz, ang dami nila like from hindi ko na sila papangalanan, but usually, pero kami here, usually, sa'yo, really, we cherish you here. Sobra.
And then Kuya asked me a question. He's like, Michael, why does this matter so much? Kasi ba't ka nag-breakdown? Sabi ko,
Yeah.
I was like, I think it's because I just really love you guys. I mean, like, I'm really grateful to have a circle like this. So I told them nung first date pa lang, sabi ko, guys, let's really enjoy this because bihira yung ganito sa showbiz. This is a core na eh. If we make this last, it can become really solid. So ayokong watak-watak because of masira sa game. But it's bound to happen, honestly.
It's bound to happen.
But I was like, let's just spread love and enjoy what you have. Enjoy the time.
That's so true.
So this week, parang I told my partner, sabi ko, you know, Ralph, like, yesterday I let it all out na before I slept, I prayed and I offered it na to the Lord. Sabi ko, all my stress. But this week, I'm not gonna let the negativity overpower the positivity of everybody.
Yeah.
Because somehow, I'm still learning from all of you guys. So, that alone, like, each individual, I want to see the beauty. And they're all beautiful. I mean, we all have great stuff. And nobody's perfect talaga.
Yeah.
Right. So,
I mean, we all have flaws, but that's what makes us humans, diba? So, kaya mo yan. Ngayon ba, are you like nervous or parang medyo nagde-detach ka na ba from everyone? Is it
no
fair?
naman. I just, feeling ko yung more personal lang sa akin na parang, I was honest to Dos. I was like, Dos, parang nalito na ako sa sarili ko. Like, nawawala na ako. Kasi, pag showbiz ayaw, pag medyo tahimik ayaw.
Di parang ang hirap hanapin ng
Sana ako. I even ask Kuya, saan pa ba ako pwesto?
Yeah,
ano ba yung gusto? Kasi I like to adjust to people. Siguro
I can tell. Mukhang ang ano ka.
Thank you.
Parang for me, like, habang pinapakinggan kita, parang you look like the type of person na parang,
Yung cake, sobrang sarap nito.
Ang sarap.
Sino ang papagawa?
Sarap.
Thank you, Asnier.
You seem like the type to adjust pretty fast. Parang sponge.
Pag gagawa ko, papagawa ka mo.
I'm Eric Morris.
Eric
Morris. So, a bit of Meisner, a bit of Chubbuck.
Nag-try ako mag-Meisner tsaka Chubbuck. Yung Chubbuck, parang feeling ko, not for me.
Yeah.
Not
Enough
for
rin
me.
talaga yun.
Pero magagamit ko siya as like a trigger point. Siguro kapag kailangan umiyak, doon ako huhukay ng hugot, di ba doon naman siya umiikot, yung Chabak Hugot
Yes.
sa personal life experiences. Pero more on Meisner ako.
Ako kasi the reason why Chabak doesn't work is I only had one traumatic experience. I mean, fortunately, I can say that. But the time that happened, when my uncle passed away, I closed myself. Like, as in, I said, I'm never gonna cry ever again. Because I hated it reminds me of the past now. So, I was so close. And then, when I tried to cry, wala. As in, walang luha. And vulnerability has been a struggle for me. And every time I see on the sequence guide, iiyak si blah blah blah. Kaba na yan. Like, I don't know how to cry, I don't know how to cry, I don't know how to cry. Tapos sa Shiny, I got so humbled. I had so many crying scenes.
Oh, no.
And then, ang kasama ko dun, Kailin Alcantara, Kate Valdez, Tita Connie. So, obviously, I have to match. Like, it's like, I'm the only newbie there. So, there's pressure talaga on me. So, yun, I really went through it. I cried, but it was pangit. And then I cried na it looked fake. I cried na ano. So, I really learned, I wanted to perfect this. Sabi ko, when I cry next time, ito na yun. Like, I want to make it like better than the last. Kasi my first one, walang luha. And then yun yung comments, may umiyak, walang luha. So I get affected. I was like, grabe guys, there's luha, you just couldn't see. Tapos yung second naman, may luha. Pero ang pangit nung lines sa face. Kasi although you say there's no pogi crying, there's no perfect crying, there's still cinematic crying.
Catherine B.
Yeah, di ba? Or like Alden for guys,
Alden.
yeah. So sabi ko, okay, mayroon palang ganun. So every time, I ask the director, how can I improve, how can I improve? They just give me that one problem and then I try to fix it every time. So, for a certain period of time, I kept crying every day.
Oh my God! Oh my God, that's what I do every night, girl. That's what I do every night. Kasi pina-perfect ko yung Catherine B na iyak.
Yeah.
So every, kunwari, hating gabi na, yan na, pag only child ako, so wala namang makikialam, diba? Nasa mirror ako. Tapos, ipo-perfect ko talaga yung perfect tear na mataba, na iisa na ng
Bentang dent.
yung benta, yung money shot tear talaga. Tapos, yung, di ba si Ate Cass, pag umiyak, ang ganda, iisa lang, pero pag pumatak, shucks, magkano TF ng iisang luha, yung ganun dapat yung atake. So, I get you when you practice. Tapos,
Dude, as in, red light. I said red light. I think of something.
right.
But I think of something shallow din. Para matingin ko kung kaya ko umiyak. And then, I don't really feel the tears sometimes. And that's why I have to keep doing it. And then, after Shining, I was so down. Actually, that was one of my lowest moments na my confidence was so low. Like, I got affected with the comment section. Until someone told me lang na, Michael, you may have not performed the best. Like, it's not award-winning. Yes, we understand. But that's your first show. Kumbaga, everybody goes through that. And for your first big, heavy drama, it's still a job well done. So parang, I didn't pat myself on the shoulder. Kumbaga na, I thought it was so horrible na even my self-esteem was so bad. So entering Ilonggo Girl, I was so pressured na agad because I was like, I'm working with Jill. This is a big prime time. So sabi ko, shucks, like, I don't wanna underperform again. So I really worked with my acting coach, Tita Ann Villegas. Isa-isa namin lahat. Yung mata ko, yung, my reactions are weak before.
Really?
Parang, nasa eksena ako pero hindi ko ramdam.
Yeah, okay.
Kasi minsan nagsa-zone out ako.
Okay.
And ang sekreto pala dun is inner monologue.
Yeah, oo.
Kahit ulitin mo lang yan, para mag-react sa mata. Kasi yung mata ko, like, ganito, parang sleepy siya. But, like, I have to wake it up para it looks like I'm involved.
Starts with the eyes kasi
And then even my lips, I go like, it's a bad habit, I go like that. Pag close up, hindi to yung shot, konting ganun, patingin na dito instead of sa mata.
You know why? Because I feel like you can't fake the eyes. You
Yes.
really can't. Like,
You can really read it.
you can really read. Kasi diba windows nga yan sa soul natin. So, kailangan mo siya dayain sa inner monologue mo. You really gotta gaslight yourself.
No, really,
like, you're
honestly.
really, like, kahit kunwari, let's say, sa eksena, bigyan mo ako ng, like, kunwari, you got cheated on.
Okay.
Ganun. But let's say you've never gotten cheated on.
Yeah.
You have to gaslight yourself talaga, di ba? That's why sobrang hirap maging artista kasi you have to think big and you have to be outside of the box. Kailangan delulu ka na talaga. Yung ganun.
Ako personally, wala akong masyadong experience.
Diba? Kaya pasok yung art ng magiging isang art ng imagination.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I told my mom, I was like, Ma, gusto ko na ma-heartbreak. Ang hirap ng hugot ko. Walang
Oh
hugot.
my God. Do not ask for that. Never ask for that.
I know.
Dumating na rin ako dyan. Sabi ko like, at one point of my life, like I was driving home, sabi ko, siguro para maging sobrang galing artista, siguro so that I could be super good at what I do. Maybe God, maybe, just give me like one big heartbreak. Tapos binigay niya sa akin, and girl,
Be careful what you wish for.
be careful what you wish for. Really?
But are you able to use it naman? Nasugat o hindi din?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you're so fresh in 3 months.
Ay, hindi naman yun. Wala akong sinasabi. Wala akong
okay,
sinasabi.
okay.
Hindi yun. Madami. Pero yung last ko
How
na,
many boyfriends have you had na?
I'm not answering
I
that
won't
right
judge.
now.
I don't judge.
I'm not gonna answer that. Y'all are looking at me,
You
huh?
had a few.
I've had past relationships.
You had past
I've had past relationships. They were all good people naman. No,
Wow.
sorry. No, yeah.
Love
They
it.
they love them all naman.
That's good. Please, there's no messy with any of them. Yes. Ikaw, do you see yourself acting for the
Yeah,
rest of your
I
life?
really do.
Yeah.
I really do. Sobra. Parang, I really love it eh.
That's
You know when you love someone, yung parang you just don't know why. That's how I feel about acting. There's just something about it. Like, I've always known na ito yung gagawin ko for the rest of my
Really?
life. Simula nung bata ako. I've always known. Parang eme pa ako noon. Sinulat ko pa sa yearbook ko. Sabi ko, gusto ko maging doktor, surgeon, ganyan. Kasi wala sa classmates ko yung gusto mag-artista. Wala, ako lang. Assumption pa ako nito.
Assumption.
Sa assumption, bawal pa yung parang, parang black sheep ka kapag maarte ka. Super diba? Pag assumption, diba? Assumption antipolo kasi ito. Parang, dapat, ang motto kasi doon, simplicity is beauty, ganun. So, parang,
Less is more.
Less is more. So, sabi ko, I want to be a doctor. But then in reality, like,
I hate science eh.
ever since I really wanted to become an artist. And acting
But you had a
talaga.
chance to become a doctor. Like, you were almost like...
No.
Okay, no,
I
not
wish
like-
I wish I could say na yes, I was almost there, but no talaga. No.
Ako kasi my lola's a doctor.
really?
She's like the head doctor sa province namin. Tapos mama is a pharmacist. And then my sister was first, she's older, so she's like, okay, magpa-pharmacist ka. So they really forced it onto her. Tapos parang first year niya sa university, she like cried. Her grades were really bad. Kasi yung pala, she never wanted it from to begin with. She just lived under my mom's shadow na parang science. Gusto ko may doctor, may pharmacist. And then when they listened to her, sabi ni ate, I want to do arts, I want to do business. Grabe, dean's list, president's list. So that's when I'm happy then that she experienced that first because it taught me na I have to be sure with what I'm doing. As why here sa acting, I told myself, because I've been burnt out na a few times. And I was telling myself that I really have to love what I'm doing because if not, ang naapektuhan is yung work. And yung work na to is more than just a scene, it's more than just a show. It's public service eh.
Yeah.
It's for people at the end of the day. Sabi ko, I don't want it to become like, alam mo yun, yung may artista kasi na kahit magaling, wala na yung pagmamahal. So it's like food. If you don't cook food with love, it doesn't taste good.
Exactly.
I feel like it's the same thing.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
don't pour love into any industry or any work that you do, it doesn't empower anyone or impact anyone. So acting is such a big platform, especially sa Pilipinas. We have one of the biggest entertainment industries in the world.
Yeah.
And I'm so passionate about it din. Sabi ko nga, they asked me my dream recently sa GMA. Sabi ko, my dream is to bring the Philippines up because lahat nauna na. Korea, biglang nauna. Thailand is on their way up. We're so powerful. We have the most potential. We have very talented people. We deserve that international recognition.
That's true.
And I just hope that the whole nation realizes the power we have because we made the Koreans really flourish. Lahat tayo mga fans ng K-pop, pero P-pop, K-drama, what about Filipino drama, di ba? So we have really good stories din. Even yung mga Canadians, yung mga kaklasiko, they're so fascinated with the Filipino culture kasi iba tayo. We know how to speak English well.
Yeah.
Our language is also very unique. May pagka-Spanish, may pagka-ano.
Ikaw ba pangarap mo ba to go international? Yes. I think kaya mo.
I really want to.
I think
I really want to.
Yeah.
You know the show XO Meow Meow?
Yeah.
It's on N.
Are you there?
No.
Oh my God, bagay ka dun.
Ay, that's my goal
Bagay ka
talaga.
dun. Pinanood ko yun eh.
That's why,
Parang ganun yung ano mo.
kahit sabi ko,
You can
kahit
go
isang
start.
guesting.
Si AC nag-guest
know.
sa Riverdale.
I know.
I wanna ask her about it nga. I watched her noon nung high school ako.
Ang galing eh. Because in Vancouver, I don't have a manager there. Kasi
Oo,
could have
siya ba meron?
She has one, that's why she got Riverdale. But dun kasi iba yung process eh. Walang connections dun. Talagang self-tape.
Is it harder? Is it harder in
It's-
Canada?
It's harder, but it's more fair.
Ah, really?
It's really fair.
Paano ba?
Like everybody goes through the same process. So there's a website of all the available listings. Of course, if you're A-lister, B-lister, iba na yung sa inyo. Like offer yun eh. But ito, if you want to start, ganun talaga fair for everybody. Everybody has a shot. There's one time I auditioned. The writer of Crazy Rich Asians found me on TikTok. So she scouted me and told the casting people to audition me sa Vancouver. So I did, and the process is so fun. Like you really have to go one by one talaga, and everybody does it now. But hindi yun natuloy kasi pandemic. They were like, okay, the role's good now, you're doing well. And then they got rid of the role because of pandemic. But
Sayang. Hindi, okay lang
But-
yan.
pangit ko din nun, so sabi ko, it's okay, no? Hindi okay lang na di natuloy. But it's cool. The way international works is so different. I used to be an extra before
Sa Canada.
sa Canada kasi yung school ko naging set. And then my principal was like, who wants to be part of a movie? So okay, I do. I registered online, tapos tinawagan nila ako, okay, this is your call time, blah, blah, blah. So the scene was a prom. So then, gumagana lang ako as a kid. But I enjoyed it kasi movie set. I was like, wow, kami na movie. Tapos, grabe yung production nila. I was also in Disney Descendants.
Really?
Yeah. And I met the director of High School Musical, Kenny. Yeah, that guy. And Dove Cameron Boyce pa at the time.
Oh my God.
So it's like nakaka-starstruck. Tapos yung set, grabe. Like imagine ASAP's, like the studio nyo sa ASAP, times like 5. It's huge. Tapos yung set talaga, you can really live in it. Like it's a real set. Tapos yung
Ilaw pa ng
yung yung what you see in Hollywood, yung mga chairs, yung mga ganun. It's like that on set. Tapos yung may megaphone, may ganun.
God, for the
Tapos
dream.
talagang you're an actor there talaga. Yung ramdam mo. And then yung holding area namin was a tent. So what we have now, that's my holding area. Pag artista ka, it's a trailer.
Like a trailer, yeah.
Yeah,
Pangarap ko
a
yun.
trailer.
Sobrang pangarap
So
ko yun.
cool. And then, pag when you eat, kahit one line ka lang sa buong you considered as a artista na as an actor na if you have one line. Your food for the breakfast, lunch, dinner is a food truck. And it's either steak, it's either lobster, it's 5-star. For every single, you get to pick. And then throughout the day, there's a concession stand. You just buy or get food. Even as an extra, we were spoiled. Grabe yung buffet namin. Yung food truck was really good. I was like, this is so cool. And you get donuts, coffee, any snacks. Meron talagang ganun. Sabi ko, we need that. You need that eh. Kasi nakakapagod talaga. For every role. Hindi, artista, prod, crew, nagsaset up. Pero pag ganun yung yung talagang inaalagaan lahat, mas okay yung work. Siguro kaya ganun sila. Tapos sa actors nila, they have a thing called, they have a group. Basta they protect each other's rights. So yung hours nila is controlled talaga. Kasi diba here yung 16 hours just became new. They formed a group, parang mga actors, and then it became 14 hours lang. Hindi na sila nag-OT. Kasi parang they're looking out for one another talaga. So iba yung environment dun, iba yung experience. Yeah. And I want the experience. I was like, sana. But I'm grateful naman of how it is here, of course. I mean, there's reasons why it's like that. And I'm sure, well, budget talaga is yung problem. But we're still able to create amazing things. So what more, right? If we're given a bigger, we have very talented directors.
Yeah.
Talented actors. Yeah. But si Kuya Inigo Pascual, he was part of a show in the US. And it was like a country show or something.
Inigo, I know we're friends.
Yeah. And then he was apparently, well, nakwento lang naman sa akin, he was telling the actors there how it is here. And then they were so amazed. They're like,
Pag sinasabi na, you can't wear
Yeah, you can't wear this, you can't wear that. Init agad ulo ko niyan. Diyos ko, Lord. Cannot be.
Katamika.
Wait lang, ikot muna. Isip pa ako.
Is
Ako,
agad-agad na, this is not for me.
When you're lazy. Tamad.
yeah.
Yeah.
I don't like
Ikaw,
it,
Ate Crab.
procrastinate.
Yeah.
I mean, I procrastinate, but this
Ano sa'yo?
Red flag.
Pag naninigaw, tsaka yung mga sinasabi pa, like nagmumura ng sobra. Kung paano kanya kausapin, dapat laging...
Soft-spoken, no? Atake. Pero medyo manipulative din minsan yung mga soft-spoken.
Oo.
Yeah.
What about you?
Sino na? Ate
Siyempre
Clam?
pag nananakit.
Oo.
Tapos pag bastos kausap yung parents mo or parents niya.
Oo.
Yan, pinaka no.
I'll just get a hair tie. Sorry. Sa akin, medyo ayoko yung kapag sinisiraan yung ex, kumbaga.
Yung ano?
Pag sinisiraan yung ex, yung parang yun yung I mean, it's okay to talk about your ex, pero ayoko yung sabihin niya agad na bad mouth.
Kasi hindi naman siya in love.
Tama niya sa'yo.
Oo.
Yes.
What about you?
Me? Ikaw nga muna. No, you first.
Ako, liar. Yung, even the petty things.
I'm a liar.
Actually, same, yeah. Ganun, same as
Liar.
Ate Gab.
Kasi,
Yung tinatago.
oo, yung mahilig magpalusot, yung mag-lie.
Oo.
Yung
Yung
kunyari,
ang galing-galing nila magpalusot.
Kahit manipulative na rin.
manipulative liar.
kahit sobrang late, ako mas nainis ako pag sobrang late na bagay nagsisinungaling sila. Kasi nahuling na hurts sa small things. Paano pa pag may big things,
Correct.
diba?
Tsaka yung yung controlling.
Ako rin yung control.
Mas nainis ako pag simuling sa maliit na bagay.
That's true.
Tsaka kunyari yung mga lalabas-labas siya sa friends niya, tapos isisinungaling pa niya na,
Oh my God, yan na.
mga ganyan, parang ano ba, diba?
That's
Ang
the
tanda
worst,
na
that's
natin
the worst.
para magsinungaling.
Tagal naman nila.
What about you? It's a red flag.
All of the things that you said.
Tagal nila.
Kasi ano naman yung mga green flags nyo?
Na agad-agad na,
Yeah.
Okay
He's the
po.
one.
Ako super gentleman to the point na pagkakain kayo, ititishuhan niyo muna yung ano mo. Ginaganon ako dati.
Ay, hindi gagawin na yun.
Oh.
You miss him, huh? No.
We're not gonna talk about it.
No, don't give him the screen
Yung-
time. Don't give him screen
Oo,
time.
yung tinitishuhan yung utensils mo before kang eat.
So, gusto mo pa rin
Tapos
siya?
yung part ng chicken, ibibigay sa'yo, chicken skin. Little things, yung little things, yung naalam niya yung...
Ako si Kalil, hinihimayan niya ako ng shrimp kasi alam niya hindi ko
Oh my God!
Tagahimay ko na. Kaya pagkakain kami seafood, laging magkatabi kami kasi siya yung maghihimay.
Ako din, gusto ko din yung himayan ako na malunggay. Alam mo ba?
Pipitasin mo.
Practice na agad pag-open. Di ako dapat pag-open, wala, hindi tayo titingin muna. Masyado kasi masyadong
Dito muna sila sa task room.
Nasa task room
pala,
I feel so left out. Kuya.
May hotpot pala.
Habang ka nagko-costume pa sila.
Very Ate Gab, no? Daddy, seryoso.
Both naman.
What's your green flag?
Wait, it's lang.
Sige, ikaw ate.
Yung gentleman din, like small stuff, like si Mavi, yung sa driver's seat, lagi niya ino-open yung doors, inaano niya yung ulo ko kung bumaba, para di mauntog.
Ako sobrang babaw na to, pero kapag marunong mag-drive, it says a lot about
Oh my God, totoo yan.
Kasi sa age natin, sobrang
Totoo
konti
yan.
ng mga lalaking nagdadrive.
Oh,
Yung parang, ate, prinsesa ba kayo?
Uy, may dalawa.
They have drivers.
Oo, yung ginagamit yung driver. Big factory mata. I dated two. Especially pag yung dalawang lalaki, hindi marunong mag-drive.
Pero syempre,
Jowa kayo na may sasakyan? San all
Pag
those.
parang they're gonna take you out on a date, tapos yung gamit mo, driver mo.
Matanda na kayo, like,
drive. Parang story
Saan effort mo doon?
Nakaka-turn off actually.
Oo.
Ibang story naman siya pag syempre walang
what if-
car. Of course, I understand. Pero yung dapat, yung...
What if emergency?
Oo, yung parang...
Si Kalil never nagda-driver. Ayaw niya nagda-driver.
Kasi pagod na ako 5 to 7.
And then he's so fun at night pag party-party na.
Ayun na.
Feeling ko, OMG, Boy
minsan
House.
pag international, itong asa nga
Feeling ko.
Asa
Pero bakit di ka
Vegas.
kasama sa
Nandun si
paglalaro?
Nigo. Usually pag international shows namin, nandun naman talaga si Nigo. Rome also belong din.
O kasi kasi
Vegas,
pag pogi ang titili talaga
California,
ako.
nagka
California pa tayo. And then in August, we're going to Birmingham.
Wow!
Yeah.
Congrats.
At least may trip na po agad tayo.
Mom na tawag mo sa akin.
Yes. Mom! Aww.
So yung
Pupunta sa
after
room
party
mo.
natin dala sa may bowling.
Oh, yeah. You know, Tito Gary is so like into bowling.
Ay, sumama ka ba ba nung after party?
Hindi na po.
After
Kasi kila
party,
Sir Carlo.
nagkayayaan pa nasa
Natulog na po ako. Hindi ko na kaya.
Grabe, go 5 a.m.
Natulog ako. Tapos me and Belle were sleeping. Biglang pumasok si Robbie Domingo. Ang ginagawa ni Robbie Domingo dito.
Lasing din ako nun.
Baka house.
Or also,
Baka host.
Gusto ko maglasing tayo.
Nalasing
pag si
ako.
Kuya Robbie,
Kakanta ng
iiyak
kakanta
talaga
ka.
ako.
Kahit mga boss nun.
Oh. Si Sir Carlo. I love Sir Carlo, Tita Carlo.
Sino kaya?
Sana hostmate. Para exchange
Hindi naman sila paparito ka ba? They wanna see a host here.
Ha?
Yeah, hosting years ko.
Anong pinalitan?
Do you drink? Mukha bang hindi? Oo.
Cheers.
Pero matagal ko nang hindi na nagaan. Diba? Nag-stop na ako ng clubbing 8 months ago.
Wait lang. Go lang. Lipat ako dito. Oh, may back.
Oh my God, this is so the last one so far.
Ang
Habang
tagal
si
nila,
Gabi,
ha?
inaantok na. Ngayon pa yan open talaga pag andun na ako sa Faji Station.
Sila na.
Tagal, anong ginagawa nila?
Early
Hindi ko
one.
naman po. Depende
Tapos
naman po sa
showtime
skid eh. Depende po sa skid.
Kung may
Pag
ilaki
tayo sa
ila-allow,
bus
mag-extend
Sige.
talaga kami.
Sayang kasi, di ba?
Yung bayad going there, so expensive.
Naghihintay ka lang pala ng kahate.
May family siya sa
Ay,
UK.
oo nga.
Opo. So feeling ko
Nandiyan na,
mag-extend
Sneer.
ko si Kuya El. Baka magstay nga po ako with them eh. May sila Hadia.
Sila hali.
I love Hadia. She was like me. We're twins.
Actually,
Di ba po?
Wala na yung makapuno. Ubus na.
Favorite ko pa.
Kagapon din si Brent. Don't finish tomorrow ha, na makapuno.
Ba mo nga pumunta rito? May get you.
Thank you. Is it equal?
Ah, yes, I heard that.
Hati ka pa din.
Sino tayo?
Ang una nakapunta ako sa Minot.
Sa house. I've only been there
Hating
once.
kapamilya.
After ng premiere night, parang nagpa-block screening pa sila for Kuya Enjo.
Siya nagluto
ASAP.
lahat ha.
Ganda ng
Tapos yung
bahay nila.
second na ano, Korean. Nagpunta sila. Ay, punta sila na yun.
I love them. Kahit si Nate, yung their kid, I love them. Inadopt ako ng family nila.
Doon to God.
Ang tagal nila.
Thanks, Esmir.
Tapos lahat nakapila para lang mag-check up sa akin.
Sino bang ano mo na sa Ate Portia ka ba nun?
Ate lang. Ay, di po Kuya
Si
Eric.
Tita Winnie, hinatid ka ba?
Si Ate Win, Tita Cory. Si Tita Cory, Tita Cory nagandun sa amin. I love our international show. Etong last party, di po. Etong last po natin na party, wala pong masyadong pagkain. Remember?
Meron na.
Sa mismong after party po kumain po tayo lahat bago pumunta sa after party.
Meron mismo dun sa
sorry.
place. Masarap mga shrimp, mga ano. Oo.
Sa loob?
Sa loob.
Kasi nasa labas to eh. Nasa may arcade bowling kami. Kaya puro drinks po kami. Ang saya nun.
Joke lang yun. Sinabi ko.
I don't know. I don't remember na ito.
Sarap kaya ng food.
Dalian nyo na.
Tagal.
Sige na, masa-surprise na kami. Sige na, lumabas na kayo.
Nag-ready pa kami.
Got to the real deal na.
No, so no.
Hindi ako maka-number 2 kasi nga nag-iintay ako.
Message. I mean, he doesn't.
Go na.
Mamaya nga, biglang
Even tagal ka ba
basta doon ako na, oo, hindi na.
Wait lang!
FOMO.
Oo, FOMO ako. Kanina nga nasa banyo ako, nag-attempt ako ng number 6, nagsisigawan ko, bakit? Bakit? Ganun ako mag-isa sa loob.
Maganda yung family oriented.
Ano nangyayari? So, wala
Pwede ko may
nakakarinig.
ginawa silang taas para ma-unlock
So
nila.
good to me.
Something. Or something.
Something.
Nakaka-FOMO.
Sobra.
Or baka meron silang gine-guess rin. Parang hindi naman
For you guys,
Actually, angat lang natin to.
Wala kayo nung
Okay,
kapamilya
go.
kapuso. Tapos eto pa girls and boys.
Oh, yan tayo. Kami ni Nika lagi po.
Sana may gagawin din tayo.
Wala akong mga, I have my tita.
After naman girls,
Feeling
pumasok
ko
sa
talaga may
confession.
something sa acting mo.
Girls, pumasok sa confession room pero hindi pa ako.
Dapat sa song.
Iwan mag-isa, tas is
Feeling ko kasi
pumasok sa task room. Huy, ako lang isa.
Family ko kasi maliit lang.
Laro na talaga. Bak na laro na talaga pag ganun.
I love his sisters.
Talaga Charlie crush mo si Maya?
Sobra. Close ko din. Then I rant to them also.
So ganun yung archetype about him?
Sometimes about him.
Sino ba ang Jeremiah?
Pero
Kasama namin sa Unbreak.
Parang end of this month po.
Wow, Maya!
Jeremiah.
Kuya Robbie din.
Lalaki. Kabatch.
kami pa.
Actually, pogi nga si Maya.
Parang Donnie.
Pogi talaga.
Lalo na pag...
Siya ba parang medyo kamukha ni Donnie?
Medyo, oo.
And together to be who you're supposed to be. Pogi talaga siya.
Pogi naman talaga si Maya, no?
O nga pala, nga pala sa ano? Si Pogi. Si Pogi. We won't hold it against you.
Oh my God, I am slowly getting there.
Talaga? Kaya po daw si Miguel Tempel.
Si Miguel.
Batang yun?
Chance.
Di ba si Miguel, ang love team niya ngayon si...
Isa.
sorry. They're together. Yeah. But what's that show na kasama niya si Zed? Nag-viral yung scene nila eh.
Batang Rile.
Hanggang ngayon it's still doon pa rin. Airing pa rin. The one where they were at the wall.
Alam mo ba?
Umiyak si Zed.
Sa akin, una ng picture.
And then umiyak din si...
Pero feeling ko like God's plan talaga. Kasi feeling ko pinanggap ko yun.
Tapos may time pa, may part dyan, di ba, namin yun. You're probably in your bed, in your blanket,
nag-start ng balon?
rubbing your cat. May ganyang part doon na parang, sakto. Binabasa ko yung libro, tapos parang,
Kano naman siya?
tapos tawa ako ng tawa. And then my mom, sabi niya, dinner na. Sobrang yun yung pinaka naalala ko sa book na yan. Kasi yun, doon ako na parang, okay, you got me now, okay, you got my attention. Have my attention now, babasahin ko na. Kasi sobrang timely na parang, okay.
Tsaka sa mga bagets, love niya yung mga bagets, mga bata.
Tsaka the aura that she has. Na feeling ko. Sobrang strict.
No, ano lang talaga, what you see is what you get. Alam mo yung...
She's so real.
Yeah. Yung paglakad niya pa lang kasi kahit ano siya, hindi siya ganun katangkad. Pero ang kinis niya sa puti niya.
True. Mapapatingin ka talaga.
True.
Sino yung artista yung kahit artista kayo na stars na pa rin kayo?
Ate Marian. Tsaka si Kuya Dong. Sa family feud na to. Kahit pa yan Kuya Dong talaga.
Ako si Ate Gabi.
Malapit sa...
Lagi ko,
Ano ba?
Totoo nga.
Okay. Galit ba no? Ano ba?
Alam mo, nag-excited ako. Yung mga excited namin noon. Mga excited namin before. Crying. Tapos yung minsan ko, pa rin. Relax ko na naman. Ay, oo. Bakit ang kinis na baka? Careless ka nga. Legit, wala siya. Swearly ko lang siya.
Guys, ginigising nyo lang ako. Kasi gumagaya na ako para ko. Yan yung nagigising. Thank you guys. I accept the compliment.
Sobrang maganda na kasi national costume.
5'6.5". Sa? Hindi ako yun. Iba yun. Iba pala yun. Hindi. I think same beauty but different.
Pero same siguro yung Hulman, first look, parang same.
hindi na nila binabalik.
My mom is like that din. She gives me...
Woo! I can do this. Lalabas na kaya ako mamaya.
Love.
Third day ko na eh.
No.
Okay lang naman
Si
kayo.
Mami third day, diba?
Kasi sa FB Marketplace.
3 days lang si Mami.
3 days and 1 night.
Ay.
3 days lang ba? Sunday.
If makikita mo yung kondo ko, mukha siyang level.
3 days and 1 night.
Mag-discuss
Ano
ako
yung
ng
3 days and 1 night? Nag-start siya ng 9. 3 days on night. Uwian din.
Umalis siya.
3 days plus 1 night.
Uwi maghapon. Umalis siya dito.
Napaisip din ako, ano 3 days?
Payag ka. Meron kang Trip to Switzerland. 3 days and 1 night.
mean?
They have a world tour eh.
Andito nga ako eh.
Kailangan una na nga si Ay.
Tapos kung yung tour dahil kaya...
Bini sa tour.
Kasi may yaya. Composer.
Bini sa tour na.
I'm gonna mouthwash.
Di mo kilala si Bini sa tour, no?
Ano? My last time.
Hindi na kilala si Benny sa tour, no? Benny sa tour, no? Hindi na kilala.
Hindi. Siyempre, bot ko. Tsaka wala akong
Tapos ako ano niya kilala si Benny sa tour? Isa siya sa tour na pala.
Bini sa tour. Sa tour na pala.
Si Benny sa tour na composer. One of them,
Hindi kasi ako singer.
Oh,
Mga kanta ni Julina. Hindi ko ako alam yung mga composer.
Yung kay Willie. Oh, yan. Siya yan.
Sige, tatanungin kita sa mga vlog.
Ayan, may bayad ba yung kanta niyo ni Mori?
Si Bini sa Turnin.
Ano pa siya? Proud pa siya. Tapos kami natin lang parang,
Pero ang galing yung acting kasi hindi masyadong kita, no? Tawa pa rin kayo.
Ayoko i-offend. Ayoko kitang i-offend kayo.
Pilipiin ka namin, Titi. Parang Mr. White?
Oo.
Sige.
Mr. White! Oh my gosh.
Okay ka lang dyan.
Okay lang.
Itsura mo. Uy, basta tayo,
Yaka.
3 days and 1 night tayo sa Subic. 3 days and 1 night siya. Like, 3 days and 1 night.
Kasi kailan siya lumabas?
So like basically, 3 days and 4 nights. 3 days and 4 nights siya.
3 days and 4 nights? Baliktad. 3 nights and 4 days.
3 days and 4 nights nga siya kasi first night. Mas
gabi siya dumating dito kasi di ba gabi tayo nag-start? Oo.
Ay ako, parang feeling ko lunch pa lang nandito na ako, nasa task room na ako.
Talaga?
Ang tagal ko dun, sis.
Lunch ba yun?
Oo. Hindi nga ako kumain. Ay, bawal!
So that was lunch show.
Pero ang bilis na yung gumabi after.
Ang tagal nila.
Hindi marami kapag dumit sa maleta. Matagal ka pa dito.
Nasa kanila na yung airtime.
Kapag gano'n, calories ba yan? Bakla talaga.
Sobrang
Yes.
inip na siya. Sabi niya, kailan pa ba sa James Reid?
Di ba nanalo si James?
Siya ba nag-compose na?
Siya din yun.
May bago rin siya. May bagong kanta rin siya ngayon, di ba?
Bright eye. Kinikilig ako sa OPN. Ano ito? Oh!
Sobrang favorite ko.
Uy, nagda-thumbs up ako! Uy, nagda-thumbs up.
Uy!
Actually, oo nga.
Pwede ba?
Wala mo sinabi bawal lumabas.
Bawal lumabas? Trauma na ako dyan sa...
Nakakatakot pa. Baka bigla silang lumabas.
Tara no, tayo movie.
Tara, labas tayo. Tapos sila.
Nawala
Saan yung
sila.
mga ano mo, di ba? Magpaplano-plano pa yan sila dyan.
Oo.
Pero nasa
Tagal.
labas wala tayo so maano yung plano nila. Parang kami. Di ba? Mabobokya yung plano nila.
Nagtago tayo ato.
Kasi yung blockings nila dyan, yung blockings nila. Pero doon tayo sa labas.
Pinarusahan na pala sila.
Baka pinaparusahan sila.
Hindi na ako lalabag.
Hindi, nagsisigawan sila eh.
Usap.
Nagsisigawan sila.
Akala ko nga kung hindi na sabi ko, sige,
Sa loob ng room?
Kayo dyan na mag-makeup ako.
Nagbas sa room.
Mag-makeup lang ako, tapos kukuntuhan nila mga about basketball.
So pag ano ba pinagkukwentuhan niyo sa room niyo?
Siyempre, pag may mga drama talaga kami dyan. Ako yung papasimuno yung mga yun.
Oo, umiiyak pa nga daw si River.
No. Pero before kami mag-sleep, meron nga kaming podcast dyan.
Iyakin din si River eh, no?
Yeah.
No.
Sleeping brother before mag-sleep. Kung okay na ba lahat ng boys. Meron ba kami
Sino yan? Ikaw, nag-initiate?
Kung may sama ng loob.
Ganun din nga tayo.
Ganun din tayo.
Kasi nga nag-flicker.
Sa amin siya
Nagka-flicker sa inyo.
Oo, nag-flicker.
Wala silang pake.
Hindi. Pero kasi nauuna kami, di ba, pumasok lahat. Kasi dito, medyo hihipan. So, like, nagta-take time.
Hindi rin.
Usually, may mga nag-number 2 na lalaking huli.
Kaya nga, di ba nabuksan mo pa si Will?
Madaling araw na yun ate. Gabing-gabi na
Di
yun.
ba ako kagabi? Trauma yun.
Sorry ate.
Wala kasi chinelas, tapos kumutok ako, hindi sumagot.
Kaya nga, sino na pa si Muno talaga niyang tagot-tagot siya nalang. Kahapon naligo sa Ate Gabi, parang the urge to get that.
Naging ano na siya, no?
Sabi ko, no.
I have to do this.
Yung klepto ko.
Lalo yung klepto!
I mean,
Klepto ka pala.
kleptospirosis kasi. Kleptospirosis.
Klepto! Yung klepto. Kaya pa naman.
Grabe, ito na yung 3 days. Ito na yung pinakamatagal kong walang phone. 3 days. Yung walang phone na kahit na walang signal, yung may phone ka pa din kasi, di ba? Like, ito wala talaga.
Oo, ito na.
I know,
Kami walang signal, titingin-tingin ng gallery.
Oo, di ba? Ganyan.
Bilis na ba yun?
Ang dami kasing nangyayari, kaya parang ang bilis-bilis. Ang dami natin pinagkagagawa.
Kahapon namin
Bye, guys.
Sobrang dami mo pang damit, right?
Ewan ko nga, pagbuklod ko, ang daming damit.
Ooh.
Madami pa siya naman.
I think
Maraming
Yeah,
days
mga
ko pa
time
dito.
here.
Oo, malamang sinabi sa nag-impake, yung good for
Yeah.
Yes.
Grabe yung 2 weeks.
Kailan pa ba next week mo? Next week pa?
Next.
Next work mo?
Dapat nga today nasa taping ako eh.
Ah, talaga?
Monday, oo.
Ayan siya.
May endorsement shoot ako this week. Ayan na.
Sige na, labas na tayo lahat para mag-okay sila.
Ano?
Doon tayo.
Tara ba, labas tayo, doon tayo.
Gugulatin natin. Yung, kaya natin sila maghanap na.
Oo.
Ate, yung jog ko.
Saan tayo? Dito?
Kahapon na.
Dito?
Oo.
Guys, para alam nila bawal pa rin lumabas dito. Tapos, tinawag din tayo. At sa atik lang. Sa atik lang. Ayun. Huwag tayo mag-inay.
Tago tayo?
Saan tayo? Dito?
Doon sa mga labahin.
Sige. Huwag tayo mag-inay.
Wala pa eh.
There's some mistakes in this book.
Really? Yeah.
Parang
So, esophagus is spelled wrong.
Oh, it's so gloomy.
Did the
Oh, yeah.
over.
It's gonna rain.
Oras na kayo.
Ito na naman tayo sa ano mo.
Chiria.
Kung pumamling-tamling. Walang mamaya po sila.
Mas inulan na tayo dito.
Is it gloomy or
Ha?
Sarap itaw ng -1.
Yan, tama yan.
Baka ma-violation tayo.
Soul? Awi.
Nasabihan ako eh. Oh.
Pagkagamit.
Hindi daw kayo sumasaya.
Grabe on loop yung kanta.
Ako gusto ko yung masahe.
Tawag ka.
Ayoko na yung ako.
Hindi sumasaya yung mga naguhugas. Sige talaga kayo, papagalitan kayo.
Eh.
AC wants a massage.
Massage?
No. Ako rin, gusto ko ba? Massage sa massage. I'm okay. So they're gonna be like this for like how long?
Will? Wait, nagkatabi ka.
Okay. Ako rin, gusto ko pa.
Ako gusto ko.
Can you call more boys?
More boys.
Boys, massage,
Massage.
Massage. Uy, may garbage dito. May garbage dito. Ay, massage. Nakikinig yung stuff. May garbage dito. May garbage dito.
Ako massage. Tatlo na.
Tatlo na. Sumasayaw ah. Sumasayaw ah. Sumasayaw ah. Ano ba ng massage? Oo. Sorry ate.
Sorry.
Ha? Massage.
Massage.
May lamig pa ako din.
Massage.
Massage. Kaya pa? Sa pa. Here. Here. This one.
Kira, protect nyo si Kira.
Sikira.
Thank you. Harder.
Dapat sumasayaw ka.
Yes. Si Gabi gusto rin ng massage.
Yay! I like this task.
Lay down a bit now.
Oh, abenta.
Kailan pa rin ba sumasayaw?
Mali mo pa sa picture mo. Si Will.
Ang saya.
Gusto ko po yung budots, kuya. Ay, baka ikaw yung papa tayo.
Kuya budots for the guy.
Kunin ang apron sa storage. Ito yung kunin ang apron sa storage. Ayaw mo ng apron.
Ang saya.
Tapos mo na siya.
Ayan. Ang daming lamig. Badol!
Ay, sorry, ano lang. Di ba may bayan yung pag-escape leave mo?
Thank you.
Tayo mo lamig, Gabs.
Oo nga eh. Pagod yun eh.
Ko wala. Mika, friend kay Mika naman. Will, si Mika.
Ay, ayaw niya ng massage. Diba?
Kamay naman, please.
Ang saya. Kamay naman. Kamay.
Kamay.
Thank you, Ralph.
Thanks, Michael. Okay na. Thank you. Ang saya. I like this.
Adam's apple.
Nabadpan kayo.
It's so engagable.
Okay na yan. Yeah, thank you.
Feeling ko para sa akin.
Will, si Kira. Massage. Okay na to.
It's engagable.
Gusto ko sa akin yung di ba?
Ayan na siya. The glasses is on. She took your glasses na.
Pumipitik ng salamin
May honk na dadating.
Feeling ko.
May darating ba na hang?
Hindi ko may honk na dadating.
Wala po kami naman dyan, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So bakit ito ginagawa?
Kasi we want to provide the best service for you
Customer
guys.
service.
At sana po ay tawagin niyo po ulit kami.
Sila magbebenta ng mabenta lang.
Hindi po namin alam ma'am, pero para sa atin po itong ginagawa natin.
Okay, Michael, can you massage?
Para sa atin tong ginagawa nyo? Bakit? Anong meron?
Michael, this part ha?
Ito ang marketing strategy niyo for the Paris.
Michael,
Para
this part.
makabenta.
Kayo magsaserve. Since ako yung leader, ako yung parang mamamili doon.
Ikaw yung nagagano ng bangaw. Yung chick
Kami serve yung customer natin dyan.
Oo, gano'n. Oh my gosh, so hindi ako yung magbibenta. Yeah.
Michael?
Michael.
Pwede naman kayo kausapin, di ba?
Yes po ma'am, of course ma'am.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Ay ma'am, work related lang po ma'am.
Hindi have a girl.
Trabaho lang, ma'am.
Work related.
Kaya. Okay na yan, mas malakas pa.
Kaya na po, ma'am. Okay na po, ma'am.
Kabila po ma'am.
Ask me anything daw, sabi ni Michael. Anong type mo sa girl?
Bayo.
Bayo?
Ano pong bayo? F-I-G?
Ano po yun ma'am?
Iba-iba.
Ma'am, po kikinig ma'am.
Ay, hindi. Paano pa kami magbibigay ng tips sa inyo? Through
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, relax lang po ma'am.
Bakit tumatawa
Puro tayo masahe.
Kasi Bianca, masaya yun si Bianca.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you, Michael.
Yung paan niyo po, ma'am.
Relax.
Okay na po ma'am.
No, paan niyo po, ma'am. Ma'am! Ano, ma'am?
Ay!
Uy, si Bianca, papasahin naman yung isang baby girl natin. Bago kayo.
Ito si Ralpho. Bianca yun na si Ralpho.
Dito, please.
Pakihanap na isang chinelas ni Bianca.
Ma'am, gusto niyo po massage namin kayo habang buhat-buhat namin kayo?
No, I'm good.
I think maganda yun. Yeah!
Bakla kayo talaga, parang ako yung inaaral nyo, ma'am!
Yes!
Ano, airtime na naman! Airtime na naman tulog.
Yan. Saan niyo gusto punta, ma'am? Masahe. Sa pool, ma'am? Sa pool daw, ma'am. Tagalin yung lapel, ma'am?
No! Ibalik nyo ako sa living room.
Ilang minulong mo?
I thought this is a unanimous decision for the girls.
Wait daw po. Sabi po, yung ganun.
Can I use
Wow,
this?
G! Wow!
Can I use this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
OA. Let us all welcome James Reed. Say what? Say what? Give me the weirdo. Yes. Say oh, say oh, say oh.
Imasahe niyo si Ate Klang!
Diba?
Imasahe niyo si Ate Klang!
Diba? Diba?
Yung likod ni Ate Klang!
Uy, yung rayuma! Natawa si Kira. Natawa si Kira sa'yo.
Yung likod ni Ate
Pamassage,
Klang!
pamassage
Uy.
please. Pamassage. Ala, umiyak. Ala, umiyak. Uy, bakit niyo kasi pinaiyak, guys?
Ay, hingal ako. Ganun pala pili ng mamas.
Oh.
Ay. Oo nga, rooms.
Ganyan na to. Hindi ko may bisita.
May bisita yan.
Rumata.
Inalarma ka.
Hindi pwede rooms eh.
Clarice.
Hindi pwede rooms.
Pwede, sure. Pwede boys.
Alam sa boys, siguro. Ay, malinis sa mga sa...
Tama.
Meron ba to?
Tapon na dito?
Bruh.
Ako na bro. Ikaw, soap. Ako, rinse.
Tara. Kwarto boys!
Woo! Orange.
Mukhang may pupunta.
Mga kama natin. No? May guest. Kaya kailangan naman yun.
You think so?
You know the game, kuya.
Kuya's got game, bro. Abang mo lang yung mga... Lord. Yeah, bro. Related.
Brent.
Yan, tayo-tayo lang.
Hey! Oh! Hey! This is Rivers turf, bruh. Ayan naman, akala ko mag-ubad na naman si River eh. Eto ba?
Ay!
Siguro ang dumi ng kwarto natin kaya pinaglinis tayo. Ba't may ganun?
Awis na.
Oh.
Let's go, Ribs!
Sinasayot. Paano? Paano? Lafi. Okay na. Kayo na to. Uy, si Esir, kasama ka dun. Bro! Bro!
Yes, yes, yes! Yes!
Yeah!
Let's go, boys!
Boys, pasok!
Uy, bedroom
po.
naman ng mga babae. For the task.
For the task. For the task. For the task. Dedicated. Kaya pwede po ba?
Pwede naman, kaso huwag mo nalang pansinin. Foreign object. Huwag mo nalang pansinin foreign object.
Sabi ba? Sure ka pwede? Yes, sir.
Yes, nilagay sa screen.
Ay. Lamig ah. Iba mo ng kwarto nila. Oo nga eh. Oo.
Excuse me. I'm gonna go out. I don't know what to do with myself.
Sabi ni Kira, can you stay with me?
I know.
Sabi ni Kira, can you stay with me?
Let's go, guys. Go, boys. Yeah. Let's go, Brad. Yes, Brad. Go, Josh.
Yes, sayaw pa! Sayaw pa! Sayaw pa!
Brad. Napagalitan na.
Sila kung paano mag-block habang nagkape. Habang nagkape.
Let's go.
Walking.
Pawalis, please. Pawalis ng floor. Akala ko ano. Hindi. Ay, mas ko yan.
Yung Arinola.
Let's